Hi guys, welcome back to User of India. So guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to use Instagram as TikTok. So guys, let's go on the video. If you want the video, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, I had put a lot of video. This is my 100th video. So this is my 100th video, but my subscribers is still 48 and the views is going down, not going up. So I request you all to please subscribe my channel. So guys, TikTok. So we all know TikTok. There is no person who do not know TikTok or seen one video of TikTok because it's that much famous. About 500 million people use TikTok, but it is banned in India. The people who use TikTok in India are upset because TikTok is banned, but that's not fully correct. TikTok is banned, but another way is there for the people who like TikTok. I am dedicating this 100th video to all the people who like TikTok and like posting videos of 15 seconds. So see the video fully and also like and subscribe my channel. Instagram is including a new feature like TikTok. Instagram Reel. Most of the TikTokers, YouTubers have Instagram. Even I have Instagram. So you can follow me on Instagram, Youth Developers of India, or you can follow me mharsh1234 as my personal. You can follow me in Youth of India. So guys, let's look how to do this. So this option was launched by Instagram to compete with TikTok. So using this feature, you can film, edit and post videos on Instagram app. So I'm going to tell you how to use this and how to upload videos on Instagram like same as TikTok. How to make an Instagram reel. Download the latest version of the Instagram app on iOS or Android and open the app. Swipe right to open the Instagram camera or tap the camera icon in the top left corner. At the bottom of the screen, tap Reels. Tap the record button to film your reel. The clip must last between 3 and 5 seconds. On the left of the screen, you can explore Reel's suite of editing tools, including adding audio, text, or other effects. So guys, if a reel is saved on your draft, then you can find the reel on your Reels tab on your profile. So you can also post your reel onto the explore page so that the people can like, comment, share and see your reel. If you have a video on your phone that you want to turn into a reel, here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app, swipe right to open the Instagram camera, choose Reels at the bottom of the screen, swipe up to pull down your camera roll. Select the video you want and use the trim option if needed. Edit your video by adding audio, text or other effects. Publish the video on your Instagram feed or story or save it as a draft. So guys, I think this video is useful for you. So please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, see you next video. Till then, thanks for watching. So guys, please comment if this was useful for you and if you know similar apps like TikTok, then also please comment